How to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So to begin, of course you need to open up the Instagram app. Then tap on the direct message icon in the top right hand corner. Select an existing conversation or tap the new chat icon to start one. Then tap the blue camera icon in the bottom left corner. From there, you can snap a new photo or video using the shutter button at the bottom, or swipe up to upload one from your device's camera roll. You can add filters, text and stickers if you like. Once you have the photo or video you want to send ready to go, select View Once to have the image disappear from your conversation after being opened. Allow replay to let them view it twice, or keep in chat to not have it disappear at all. Then tap Send. And that's all it takes to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.